Hey, how you doing? Austin here. In this video, we're going to talk about a particular crypto, a coin that is crushing it, continues to do well. This is one that I have talked to you guys before, and I just needed to bring it back to remind you of it. And frankly, not all of you see all of my videos, and I've got constantly new members coming in, subscribing to the channel, things like that. So what I wanted to do was bring this back and highlight it because there's a very interesting scenario playing out around this particular coin, and I want you to be aware of it. Okay, so drop in the comments below. Which one do you think it is? This is not an oldie but a goodie, but it's one that I have highlighted. It's one that I am extremely bullish on. I own this one, and oh, by the way, I'm not being paid by anybody to produce this content. All right, so what do you think it is? Drop in the comments below. Before we get to that, this video is for entertainment purposes only. Okay, while you're still thinking about it, I'll give you a few more seconds. Notice we have Bitcoin and Ethereum starting to kind of move up. I did a video earlier today, you can check it out on my channel here, where Bitcoin is starting to present, from a charting standpoint, a golden cross. And in that scenario, listen to what I'm about to say to you. The last time that Bitcoin presented a golden cross, this is where the 50-day moving average moves above the 200-day moving average. The last time this happened, Bitcoin went from $4,000 to, drum roll please, I like doing drum rolls, to $65,000. Last time that Bitcoin presented a golden cross, $4,000 to $65,000. Okay, yeah. This, by the way, this is not a Bitcoin video. My point of me bringing that up and telling you about that is we got an interesting situation playing out where I think the whole entire market is about to start really rallying and start to really move up. So before I reveal the exact one I'm going to talk to you about, I need to make you aware of my Patreon group. Here's the bottom line. You can join and cancel at any time. I will give you portfolio guidance, take a look at what you have. You also get access to my inner circle portfolio. That's exactly where you see everything I'm holding, everything I'm buying, when I'm selling, when I'm trading. I have just moved into 4 or 5 new crypto coins and tokens that I firmly believe are going to 2x to 6, 7x in the not too distant future. These are moves that I'm making that I see some fundamental opportunities in, and I let my Patreon members know exactly what I'm doing. That's the $20 members, by the way. By the way, I tried to keep it as cheap as I possibly could so that could help as many people. Join and cancel anytime. Check it out if you're tired of being alone. Oh, by the way, I have a Discord community wrapped around all of it. If you click that link below, you'll see everything that I offer. Okay, so with all that said, let's move into, did any of you guess Phantom? Okay, so Phantom is one that I got into when it was at approximately 92 cents. It has ran up to, let me show you this real quickly, all the way up to $1.93. Okay, so in that way, by the way, that's been very recent. Okay, that's been in the last month that it has ran up to $1.93. It backed off when we had the flash crash with Bitcoin and all that kind of stuff. But the interesting thing playing out here is that Phantom right now is really the only kind of standout in the entire market. Let me show you this real quickly. Right now, you're looking at it ranked just based off market cap. See 904, 416, Bitcoin, Ethereum. But if I change this to look at what's moving in the last 24 hours, you can see that Ren, Horizon, and Phantom are moving in the last 24 hours. Okay, so Phantom's coming back from it definitely got pushed down overall 7 days. It's still down negative 5, but in the last 24 hours, again, moving up very nicely, along with Hedera, Hashgraph as well. Okay, my point here is that it is absolutely breaking out, and we both know that, again, our $1.93 was our highs, right? So this is one that I think is going to continue to roll up. It is, obviously, it's a blockchain play in the DeFi space, which frankly, bottom line, is one of the hottest spaces there is right now because what's going on with Ethereum. By the way, I am a fan of Ethereum. I own Ethereum. I like Ethereum. I love it. But Ethereum 2.0 is going to basically be delayed until mid to end 2022. You got high gas fees and things like that. So what's going on is you have all these other blockchains out there, these other networks like Solana, Phantom, Polkadot, Avalanche, etc., Algorand. All those are out there, and they're all Cardano. They're all extremely viable options for the new projects that are being built and deployed, specifically DeFi, NFT, things like that. And so that's getting a lot of usage and starting to really play out in the context that these major DeFi blockchain cryptos, these coins, are going to just continue to go up. And oh, by the way, going back to the whole Bitcoin Bitcoin golden cross that signals a massive bull run where Bitcoin is being touted to go above 100,000 within 5 to 6, 7 months, depending upon how you kind of look at it and however it shakes out. When Bitcoin starts to run, everything's going to run along with it, especially these other major big blockchain DeFi NFT plays. So keep it. Basically run it through your own due diligence. Check it out. Hopefully you like what I'm bringing you. My goal is real simple: is to continue to bring you value, continue to help notify you of what's going on. This one, though, I think Phantom is going to continue to crush it. I'm not going too far out on a limb by saying I think we can definitely get back to our all-time highs in the very near future and continue to roll. And I think I've now bought in 3 separate different times on Phantom, bought different positions, and I'm a huge fan. So with all that said, I'll see you later. Take it easy. Thanks for your support of myself, my channel, and my videos. I'll see you. Bye.